Good morning. So it's about 9 o'clock. Today I'm doing a hair vlog. So I just did my makeup. London's finishing her breakfast. I'm gonna drop her to my mom and I'm going to my sister, of course. So I am installing these Kinky straight 18-inch Microlinks by Hergivenhair. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna get on here right now and show you guys the details of the hair. It's a really beautiful full kinky straight texture. I'm dyeing them jet black right now, so I'll show you everything that the box, what's in the box. I'll show you everything that's in there, and then I'm pretty much doing the hot water method. I used the Revlon, the little cheap jet black boxes. I used 2 of those. Use my kettle and I just use hot water, and I'm having them soak right now. I gotta hurry up, so I gotta dry them. So I gotta use my blow dryer, so I'm trying to rush. But y'all, if you guys are interested in this hair, all the information will be down in the link below. Y'all already know I love my Microlinks. I'm excited. They're a great company, great customer service, great communication. Highly recommend this company. I'm already looking at the hair and I was like, oh, it's gonna be lit. So we are taking these out and we're putting those in. And yeah, I'm gonna get on here and show you guys all the information. Do make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time your girl posts another video. Okay, so let's get into it.
When I go with confidence, when I go live it roll like hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow, wind it up on night.
So you only need 2 packets to do the entire head. So they did send me 2 18-inch. The weight is 100 grams per packet. Okay, so you only need 2 if you want to do a full head, 1 if you want to do a partial, if your hair is already a nice length and you just want to add a little bit of fullness. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this now. I'm gonna blow dry it and I'll get back on here and show you guys the texture before we get on the road. All right. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We not like me. We not shine bright like royalty. We not sticky, but they are guilty. And why? So kind of your neck is cold. You been waiting on me to solve it. Solve it, solve it for me. And last weekend, you had me thinking, oh, must keep thinking, lift my head up, like bum, bum, bum. Roll it back, then rotation, figure it's in the season, shine bright as the season, girl, you know you are a jam, 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 sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that, yeah, everything about you makes me smile. I wanna be your best friend, your best friend. I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry?
right, y'all, this is the final look. Look at all this body. Look at all this beautiful texture. This is 18 inches kinky straight hair, y'all. It's absolutely gorgeous. Hergivenhair, y'all did that. We used pretty much all the bushels except like one. So we probably used like 3.5, almost 4.
Yeah, 3, almost 4.
Beautiful, nice and full. Look at this, y'all. All the information down in the link below. Hergivenhair, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I absolutely love this hair, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye.